Welcome to Hands-On Clayton, uncovering everyday heroes. I'm Dr. Wakia Brown, and in this series, we shine a light on the incredible people who keep Clayton County Public Schools running every single day. Today, we're going behind the scenes with our administrative services team, the folks who make sure students get to and from school safely, keep every classroom, hallway, and gym safe, clean and ready for students, and prepare thousands of healthy meals that fuel learning, just to name a few. They may not always be in the spotlight, but their work is essential to every student's success. And today, we'll be diving into their world to see firsthand what it takes to do the job. From the early mornings to the late nights, these heroes bring skill, dedication, and heart to the district. Let's see what it's really like to be a part of administrative services.
How was that break?
Oh, wonderful. Great.
Well needed. Peaceful.
Ralph Simpson, Deputy Superintendent for Administrative Services. I oversee the departments of transportation, facilities maintenance, safety and security, food, nutrition, athletics, technology. Every single day we know that if schools are to be, then we must have an impact. We must fulfill our duties and responsibilities, because if we don't, something or someone is gonna have an uncomfortable day. I'm fortunate enough to have exemplary leadership in all of those different departments. I trust their level of expertise because I'm not an expert in all of those areas. I just happen to be the one that leads the department. This is a new role for me under Dr. Smith's leadership, because previously I was working full-time as a corrections officer, which actually helped to define, the difference between being a part of the solution or the problem. Serving as a corrections officer wasn't solution-based. As I approached education, it was based upon those experiences and trying to prevent children from making decisions that would lead a life of imprisonment or incarceration. So started out as a substitute teacher, became certified and taught 5th grade for a couple of years. Then I taught 8th grade for a couple of years, and then, my whole Joe Clark vision and wanting to be an administrator, and became an assistant principal for 4 years, and then a principal at 3 different high schools, and regional superintendent, and now deputy superintendent. And so now being on this side, I can bring all of those experiences from what I experienced in a leadership capacity, having worked in schools, having led schools, having trained and supervised leaders, now to the understanding of how all of this works and enhances and improves the overall school from a culture and a climate perspective, because you've got to have a positive school culture and climate. That's the foundation for educational success. And so when you address the foundation from a foundational perspective, and including every individual in that room, every single individual staff member in your building, then everyone feels equal and they feel empowered. And they believe that they have a vital role that's impacting and enhancing the school in its entirety. These are the employees or the staff that typically people at the high level don't get a chance to see. Many of them have, including myself, never driven a bus or worked in a cafeteria. Many of them have served in schools, but sometimes, and just based on experience, when you leave the schoolhouse, you become disattached from what it's like to serve in that capacity and what it's like for those individuals. I never wanted to be so disconnected that I don't know and understand what it means and what it feels like, and hearing the voices of those that are serving at a capacity that don't typically get the attention. Show some appreciation and some acknowledgement. to those individuals because they're the ones that make it happen. Without them, there are no deputy superintendents. There's no superintendent, assistant superintendents, coordinators. We exist because of them. School does not exist without these individuals. There are so many more pieces to what makes a school work.
Thank you for joining us on Hands-On Clayton. Today, you saw the heart work and the hard work that keeps this district moving. To our administrative services team, we appreciate you. I'm Dr. Wakia Brown, and we'll see you the next time as we continue uncovering the everyday heroes of Clayton County Public Schools.